Hello everybody, I am Zoe and these are my three sisters. They're my older sisters, they're triplets, Serena, Abigail, and Lark. Love them. And my sister Abigail has a daughter, Nichelle. She had her 3 years ago, but they're all graduating this year, woohoo, from high school. And this is my lovely mummy. This is my mama. Her name is Kayla, and she does lashes at home. And she's pretty fabulous at it. She loves it. She allows her to stay home with us. And yeah, we're a pretty awesome girl group. But then, hello, I am Zoe, and this is my dad, Tevin. He is a school teacher, and he teaches grade 9. So can't wait for that to happen when I grow up. Me either. Yay. Grade 9s are great. Anyways, so my dad and Katie's mom decided that they liked each other and they started dating, and then they fell in love and got married, and now they're having twins. So now we're just one big happy family. And it's awesome. Right? Totally. I totally agree. This is so awesome to be sisters. We get to be sisters. And yeah, so let's start our date. We love starting it by giving Mommy's belly kisses. Okay, it's time to go. We gotta go. Curls, come on. Get ready. Get up. Oh! Okay, I'm ready. Oh my goodness, we're being so goofy. Yes, okay, it's time for school, girls. Let's go. Hello, boys and girls. I am Miss Selena. I am your substitute teacher today for Miss Laura. I think we're going to read a book today. Is everybody wanting to read? Somebody? Not me. I'm not reading. I really don't like reading out loud. Anybody can come up and try. I'm here to help you. I'll have a book and you can have a book, and I'll read along with you as the class will listen. Anybody? Remember, it's okay to make mistakes as long as you're trying. Because if you don't try, you don't know where you need to do better and learn and maybe get taught a couple new words or study harder. But I'm here to help you. What about you over there? What's your name? My name is Katie. I don't really want to read out loud. You're totally good at reading. Zoe, stop. Okay, I'll do it. I don't want to do it, but I'll do it. You're gonna do great. Then you should come and do it if you think I'm gonna do so great. Ugh.
The Jamberry by Bruce Deacon. 1 berry, 2 berry, pick me a blueberry. Hat berry, shoe berry, and my canoe berry. Under the bridge
And
over the dam, looking for berries, berries for jam. Berry, 4 berry,
hey,
berry, strawberry,
finger and paw berry, my berry, your berry.
Strawberry ponies, strawberry lambs, dancing in meadows, strawberry jam. Clickberry, quackberry, pick me a blackberry. Craneberry, trackberry,
Clickety,
clackberry.
rumble and ramble and blackberry bramble, billions of berries for blackberry jamble. Raspberry, jazzberry, razzmatazberry, berry band, merry band, jamming in berryland. Raspberry rabbits, raspberry band, elephants skating on raspberry jam.
Moonberry, starberry, strawberry sky. Boomberry, zoomberry, rocket you by. Fountains and fountains rain down on me. Buried in berries. What
a jamboree.
jamboree.
Wow, Zoe, you did amazing. That was great. Thank you so much for the effort that you put in. That was awesome. Okay, now that we're done reading, remember next class somebody else is going to read a different book, but now we're going to start math. So let's get our pen and pencils out and start. Oh God, I hate math. I'm so bad at it. But you honestly did really, really good. Well, I'm way better at math than I am at reading. I just get so nervous doing it in front of people. I'm better when I'm by myself. Morning, class. Morning, Miss Wendy. Morning, Miss Wendy. Morning. It's so nice to see all of your sweet faces, my boys and girls. Today we're going to do the letter O. This is what O looks like. O. And this is the big O. This is a little o. They pretty much look the same. This is an uppercase, and this is a lowercase o. Uppercase O, lowercase o. So let's start to find some people who know words that begin with O. Who wants to go? Oh, awesome. So we'll have Sage, then Parker, then Chelsea. Let's go. Come on. My O word is orange. Orange as in oranges that you eat, or the color orange. Orange. Mine is orangutan, like the gorilla or monkey or ape. Orangutan is in that. Woohoo.
O is for open. Open the door. Open the box. That's all.
Perfect, you guys. So O makes the sound oh, oh, oh. Open or orangutan or oranges. Oh, oh is perfect. Good job.
Shortbread cookies.
Hey y'all, so today we're going to make shortbread cookies. So what you're going to need is 1 cup of softened butter, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and whip it all together. I'll be right back. So for shortbread, we're going to leave some just regular, and then we're going to put some dye in some of them. You're going to see some pink, some blue, and some regular. So you roll them into little balls like this out of the dough, and then you're going to squish them down once you get them on the pan, and then you're going to add sugar on top, and then you put them in the oven. Ooh, look how pretty those blue ones are. Oh my god, okay, we're just gonna get these cookies in there, shut it, and now it's movie time. Ready for some movie time? Yes, I'm kid-free and I'm ready for movies. Okay, I'll just put a timer on for the cookies. And let's make some popcorn. Movie night. Ooh, those cookies look good. So, remember how we were talking about cookies? And a boy and a girl for blue and pink? Well, here they are. My new little baby brother and sister. Zoe, do you want to tell them their names? They're so cute. Oh, for sure. I would totally love to tell you their names. Their names are Mr. Zaid and Timberly. They are so cute. I love them so much. And we got to help pick their names. We looked through a whole bunch of baby books and stuff and on the internet, and we found those. So these are our twin babies. Hello, Zaid. Hello, Timberly. So cute. Yes, they are. Love you all so much. Zoe, I'm so happy you're my sister. Katie, I'm happy you're my sister. And I'm happy we have all of our sisters. Sorry, Dad. Oh my god.